Hey guys, it's LuckyThriftTree. I wanted to share with you real quick how to make an easy breakfast burrito. I got this bowl plate thing from the Dollar Tree. It's frozen. All you're going to need is eggs, of course, cheese, if you want some salsa, paper towel, and then a bowl type thing. So you just need to rip off one paper towel, and you're just going to mold the shape of the bowl as best as you can. And there's a little moisture from the leftover, and then you're going to take your tortilla and put it into your bowl and try to kind of mold a little bowl for your egg. And then I had put some eggs in a cup, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of my egg, and I'm going to add some cheese. It's just a little bit of cheddar cheese I got from a cube, and then you can add your salsa if you like. And then you're going to microwave, depending on your microwave, try 30 seconds and then see if it's done, and then try another 30 seconds, just depends on your microwave. And we're just going to microwave this. We're going to try 30 seconds. Here it is done. You can just remove it easily from the paper towel, and you have a nice, yummy breakfast burrito.